CCTV recently released a short clip revealing China cruise missile and anti-ship missiles engine components automated production line. This is only one part of factory automated facilities. China has significantly upgraded missile manufacture process technologies, and produces most advanced cruise missiles and anti-ship missiles. As shown in the video, there is very little human labor involved in the production lines. The daily output of this factory, reportedly, is over 1,000 missiles if it operates 24 hours a day. Such efficient production lines are to reduce the cost of missiles considerably, and ensure to be able to meet a demand during a wartime. It will also supply enough to meet ever-increasing demand for missiles in the international markets.
Turning to Mr. Huang Ruosong's model development history, that is basically a history of the development of China's anti-ship and cruise missiles. Starting from the upstream, 1. China's first type of anti-ship missile. The models he worked on covered short-range, medium-range, and long-range, which covered launch platforms from shore to ship, air-to-air, and air-to-ground missiles. The speed of missiles includes subsonic speed, high subsonic speed, supersonic speed and hypersonic speed.
My dream is, the sky allows me however to fly. The ocean allows me however to sail. My experience from decades working on missiles taught me to stick to my ideals and dreams. We must persist in self-reliance, work hard, and take the path of continuous innovation. I'm still striving.
Regarding the development of cruise missiles and anti-ship missiles, I summarize them as modernizations in 10 aspects covering systems, full area, information, networking, integration, intelligence, precision, stealth, unmanned, and clusters. After decades, based on the basic serialization, we explored for a new generation, pre-researched for a new generation, developed a new generation, and then finally produced a new generation of missiles.